set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
Just got home and my hair feels so clean, so fresh. I can run my fingers through the ends. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. If you let your hair go too long, it's really rough at the ends and it's very sad. I'm actually kind of devastated. My absolute favorite soul instructor basically just canceled his class and someone else is doing it and I don't want to go. So I just canceled that and I was like, well shoot, that was like where I was gonna head to next. So I basically have a free evening, which is exciting. I don't know what I was planning on doing after Soul, but to catch you up a little bit, I went to Big Bear. I basically got home Sunday. It's only been 2 days since I've been home. Holiday stuff is still up. The tree is still up. My room's a mess. The living room is a mess. There's laundry to be done. The mail room exploded during Christmas. If you know me at all, you know I'm not doing well because of that. Some of you guys probably think it's completely ridiculous, but I don't think I can handle it much longer. So I think I'm going to do a little bit of a deep cleaning and get rid of some of the decorations, throw away a tree and clean out the mail room and put some laundry away and do some laundry and all of that stuff. So here we go, cleaning vlog again. I'm so sad. If you did not know, Burt's Bees, like the tinted line that they have, is my absolute favorite lip balm of all time. I use it constantly and I just ran out. So I went to a Burt's Bees event. It was before we moved to the house, probably a good maybe 3.5 years ago, maybe 4 years ago. It was when they came out with this line. It doesn't matter if I'm not wearing makeup or if I'm wearing a ton of makeup. This is my go-to lip product. I wear it all the time. It's not sponsored in any way. I'm just that big of a fan. Like, it just adds a little bit of natural color and it makes you look alive. Like right now I don't have any on. My lips kind of just blend in with my cheeks and it's a bummer. But like if I had this, you know what? I bet there's a little bit left. It's literally at the very end. I'm hitting plastic. This is the worst because it's not very comfortable to put on, but I'm gonna put some on for you just to prove my point. That's all I'm trying to do here. Dab it on a little bit. That's crazy, right? This little thing does so much. So if you guys feel like you are not the type to really wear a lot of lip gloss or lipsticks, but you want some kind of color, but you want it natural, Burt's Bees, baby. Burt's Bees. Also, as you know, I just got my hair cut. I'm really loving it. I ended up having to cut a good amount. It was down to here. The ends were very dead. So it's my own fault. I shouldn't have waited that long. However, the hairstylist I had today recommended a new product for me, which I'm super excited for. I don't think I have talked about Kerastase too much. I'm actually a really big fan. I actually have some products from this line already, but this is a brand new serum. It's called the Resistance Serum. Actually, I should open it really quick. Can't do it one-handed. Okay, here's the product. This is the coolest thing I've ever heard of. Again, not sponsored. I haven't even tried this yet, so I don't even know if it actually works, but according to her, this is a hydrating serum and a protectant serum, but it's specifically for when you use heat tools on your hair, specifically like curling irons or flat irons. It has a serum in it that actually gets activated through the heat and becomes a treatment for your hair. That blew my mind. Basically, me and the girl were talking about how terrible the ends of my hair were. And I was like, I don't know. Like, I do hair masks, I do the serums, I do all the things. And she said this is her new favorite product. So I'm gonna give this a try. Let you guys know how I like it. I feel like I'll love it because I, again, am a Kerastase fan, but I'm excited about it. Also, it's 2 serums in 1. So they pump out at the same time. I'm excited for that. I can't wait to wash my hair so I can do that. So I can do, you know, you get it. So I got a lot of work done downstairs. I got the entire tree put away. I cleaned out the entire mail room and I got rid of all of the Christmas little decorations that were all over the house. Basically, I'm really tired. I didn't show too much of everything because if I'm gonna be honest for a second, I'm just gonna vent for a minute. It's hard being a vlogger. It's hard to like get into the groove, you know, when you have to constantly pick up the camera, re-angle it, press record, clean for a bit, then go check, make sure everything looks good, then keep cleaning. I'd much rather just clean and get it done. That's just kind of the mood I was in today, so I'm sorry I didn't film everything for you, but you get the point, you know? I have a load of laundry going on right now, and I have a lot of clean clothes on my bed. So I'm not gonna do too much more, but I do wanna get this put away. So this is the last little bit. Freaking go, baby. It's a little bit later. I completely got so tired and then ate dinner and then watched you with Taryn on the couch and we did nothing. So nothing interesting. Did you miss? What? You missed nothing interesting. I'm going to be going to bed now. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Sorry for the rough ending, but it's okay. That's reality, right? Love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which will be coming soon.